Good morning, dear students. In the previous class, we already started grammar, basic grammar class. In that, we already completed 12 vowels and 8 diphthongs. Now we are in the consonants. 24 consonants are there. In that 24 consonant, we already completed 6. The seventh one is there. The seventh one. It's like this shape. So pronunciation is like th. For example, here just you have to understand here. It is the seventh consonant letter. Consonant number 7. It is a continued part. In that continued part of consonants, it is the seventh letter. The shape of the seventh letter is the round shape of the O. In that, in between middle, there is a hyphen. So this is the shape of the seventh consonant in a pronunciation skill of alphabetical letter. So what is the pronunciation there? Big th is there. So how utilize in the words? Here thought, nothing, and path. When we have to utilize th in our words, but here we have to utilize there big th. Our pronunciation, our breathe totally. Upper teeth to lower teeth, there is a tongue activities going on there. Th. Our tongue, upper teeth. There is a upper teeth are there. In that upper teeth edge, our teeth is a touch there. While pronunciation. That's why it is a seventh letter. Seventh consonant, that is pronunciation th. What are the example we have to understand? Thought, nothing, path. Understand? The next one. Letter number 8. Letter number 8. The round shape of the O or else reverse order 6. Number 6 is a reverse order in that. That is the shape of the letter. Here it is a the. It is the. How we have to find out in the words? Just you have to observe here. Then, brother, bath, just you have to understand. Only 3 example. In that 3 example, we have to understand this kind of consonant hiding there. Here, the shape of the 8th consonant, 7th letter of the consonant letter, that is the reverse number 6. 6th letter in English here, the reverse shape of the letter is there. So how we have to pronunciation? It is a the. Just you have to understand. Then here also th is there. Then brother, bath. But here th are there also th are there. How we can pronunciation, identify the pronunciation after the th, just you have to understand. After the th, every time we have to understand only vowels are there. Only vowels. Before we have to observe vowels, after we have to observe. Here is just you have to understand th after vowel is there, th before vowel is there. At the moment that is confusion. Why? Because in that also there th after vowel is there, th before vowel is there, th after vowel is there. Here also th before vowel is there. Sir, how we can identify these pronunciation? These pronunciation we have to understand on base of our voice. On base of our voice, that's why we have to divided these on basis of our breath. I already said you in the when I am explaining about at the moment thought at the moment our tongue touch to the upper teeth. When we have to pronunciation this word, then the is pronunciation there. It is not a then. It is a then. When we are write this word on the board, we are pronunciation. It is a then. Students are laughing there. Or people when they are listening this word, we have to pronounce like then. That English teacher is not teaching properly. Why? Because it is based on the sound. It is based on our breath. That's why we have to divide it. We have to divide it. That is the th. This is the. Okay. In the next concept is there. That is letter number 9. That is like this. Here, sir. The pronunciation is sir. How we can utilize in the words say, mistake, finally books. Just you have to observe there. We already easily understand and visually identify that letter as a consonant. S is the shape of the letter. Commonly we know that is in our original alphabetical letters. In that letter also pronunciation sa is there. How we can utilize in the words? Just easily we have to identify there. Say, sa is there. Say, mistake. Sa pronunciation is already hiding in that letter. And finally books. Sir, when only write like this means book. For what reason we have to utilize this one? Why? Because it gives us plural pronunciation. Plural. At the moment we have to utilize like that. Book is a singular, but books is the plural. The same manner, when we have to write that letter in that word, hiding the pronunciation on the base of the voice. So it is the next letter. The next one is that is Z shape is there, the last letter of the Z. Here Z or Z pronunciation it gives us. Here zoom, poses, watches. Just you have to understand the next consonant letter of English is that is Z. But here how we can pronounce that is Z. But here we can see in the words zoom. Z pronunciation it gives us. Zoom and pauses. But here in that all double S es is there. Not possess. That is not possess. Pauses. Z pronunciation, pauses, like that we have to make means that is correct. Some of the students while we are writing this word on the board means they are easily pronunciation that is possess, that is not possess, pauses. But these letters included, there is a simple trick is there. In Kannada language, k plus a equal to k. K original word is there. K is original word. But in that original letter, hiding a is there. Just you have to pronunciation practice there. K in plus a is there. The same manner here also two letters hiding it pronunciation beginning with z. That's why possess, possess. Watch, was. Why? Because was it is a singular sense. But when we have to added the es to the singular form, at the moment it gives us wases, not watches. The clear pronunciation is watches. That is not watches, wages. Like that we have to pronounce. Okay. This is the next one. The next letter is there. It is also yes shape of the consonant. So it gives us sh pronunciation. It gives us sh pronunciation. So look at the example here. Shape, wish, wash. Just you have to understand these example. Here the next letter is also looking like a S shape. So but it gives us, there is a lot of difference there. It is a short length S shape. It is a lengthily we have to drag there, that letter. That is the comparison between two words. Two letters. It is a short length it is a length is there, the letter shape is length is there. That's why we have to easily identify this is a sh. So how we can pronunciation there? Shape, not shape. Shape, wish. Sh pronunciation is there. Finally, wash. So these are the in this class we have to learn 5 letters. In the next coming class we have to continue this part and we have to learn something about the next consonant letters. Okay, thank you.